our channel The Journey Uncut। और हम लोग आज मोंटेकासिनो बर्ड पार्क में आए हुए हैं और मेरा नाम संजीत है। मैं और मेरी वाइफ सुष्मिता हम दोनों यहाँ पर एक्सप्लोर करने आए हैं। बहुत अच्छा जगह है, बहुत सुंदर जगह है। आप देख ही सकते हैं कितना मस्त ब्यूटीफुल जगह है। लेकिन अब आगे भी बहुत सारा वीडियो आपको दिखाएंगे जो कि बहुत सारा अच्छा जो बर्ड्स यहाँ पे हैं बहुत सुंदर है, मतलब उनका कलर ही डिफरेंट है। चलो आगे हम वीडियो कंटिन्यू करते हैं।
Presenter for our show today. Now, with that being said, we are going to have our birds come out, they're going to do their stuff, but also remember they've also been in lockdown, so they are getting used to seeing your beautiful faces behind those masks. So they might take a little while, but other than that, they have been doing a great job so far. But I'm sure you guys have noticed we have a little bit of an issue on my stage. What's that issue? It's the litter, that's exactly right. Now right here at the Montecasino Bird Gardens, we really do care about our environment and conservation, and that's why we have joined forces with a very important person. Now he is very, very passionate about conservation, and especially the environment. Are any of you familiar with Russell Crowe? Oh, you guys are very quiet today. He's a very famous person. Are you guys ready to meet Russell Crowe? Yeah! There we go, that's more like it. He's going to be joining us from this side of stage. Please put your hands together for our very own Russell Crowe. Welcome out, Russell. Sorry guys, it isn't the actor, so some of you look like you're happy about that, but that's absolutely fine. Russell Crowe here is our Cape Crow, and they are incredibly intelligent. They also really like shiny things. So we've used this to help him teach us how to take care of our environment. What he does is that he picks up a tin, makes sure that it is empty by throwing it down, maybe throwing a little bit of a tantrum as well, and then he puts it into the bin. We're going to see if he wants to do that today. There we go, that is the first tip of the bin. Let's give him a big round of applause. Now these guys are so intelligent that they can remember the faces of humans, and they'll alert other crows to horrible humans or humans that have done them any wrong. Is that second tin in the bin? There we go. Well done, Russell. We've got one more tin to go. Now these guys also like to do vocal play like your kids do. They play around like that. He's done a great job. Put the last tin in the bin. Let's send him on home. There we go. Well done, Russell. Now you'll notice that she's wearing a little bit of equipment with Kineso over there. He's got a glove in his hand to protect his hand and also to make it easier for Cleo to hold on to. Now she has leather straps around her ankles known as anklets. Then she has those leather strips coming down from her anklets into Kineso's glove, and then they are further tethered to her glove. Now this is a part of falconry that is... There we go. Now I have another question. Do any of you know what the fastest animal on the planet is? I'm going to check this side first. Yes, you up there? Shout it out. Cheetah? We got cheetah on this side? Yes? Falcon. Let's give them a big round of applause. Well done. That is great. And you are not wrong for having cheetah as the fastest land mammal. Let's give them a big round of applause as well. Well done. Now right here at the Montecasino Bird Gardens, we do not have a peregrine falcon, but we have one of their cousins. And I'm going to give you a little more info about the peregrine falcon. They can reach speeds of up to 390 kilometers an hour. That is the fastest an animal has traveled or actually sped up to. Now how they achieve that is that they go up into the sky, they find their prey, tuck their wings in, and they dive down. That's how they get that speed. Now with their cousin, the falcon is a little bit bigger, but they're a little more impressive to me. They go up to 244 kilometers an hour. They're continuously tucking their wings as they get to that speed. They're continuously expending energy to get to that speed. That to me is a little bit more impressive. Now we have their smaller cousin, which is the ladder falcon. The ladder falcon's a little bit smaller. They heard one of us and now she's being punished. She's actually being grounded for her own good because she's going through a molt. That just helps her out with her feathers so that she can grow them out, get nice strong new feathers so that she can fly close again and show off her talents as well. Whenever she's ready, she's going to join us from either side of the stage. She's going to come up close and personal to you all. But for now, please put your hands together for our huntress and speed queen. This is Ayala. There we go. Now you guys will notice that she's wearing a little leather hood on top of her head. Now that actually does make her look quite stylish, but in fact that has a very important purpose. It's to keep her calm while she's moving around. And it is also a practice that falconers use to help them lock onto their prey. What they do is that they have a bird or prey item that is flying out or being flushed out of the grass, and as soon as that happens, they take off the hood. That is the first thing that the falcon sees. They go for that. So if there's any children that want to try to run away, we're going to take off the hood now. I'm very joking. We're going to take off the hood so that you guys can get a good look at her, so you can see her beautiful face. You'll also be able to see some of her adaptations as well. But I mentioned earlier that falconry has been around for over 6,000 years. It is one of the oldest sports and also one of the oldest parts of conservation. What happens is that a falconer or a trainer in that sense will take in a young bird, they'll raise them up for about 2 years, and then they send them out into the wild, helping them out of their cycle. So unfortunately, only about a third of these birds make it out. Now that is a indication that they are able to hover. So they have a form of hunting called hover hunting. That's what they do while they are actively searching for prey that they can't flush out of grass fields.